All right. Welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Okay, don't get scared. I will explain this silver data very, very shortly. It's not as scary as it looks. And I will help you understand why the white metal may be slowing down very soon. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism out there to the masses, bringing more people into our very big precious metals family. All right. So first, shout out to Mr. Aziz Khan Zamani. His name is right here. This is from tradingview.com. Shout out to him for creating this graph here that I'm showing you guys. Here, we will discuss two metrics. We're only going to discuss the two metrics that are represented here. The first one are Fibonacci extensions, and the second one, we're going to discuss RSI oscillators. Now, don't get too bugged out by that. I will give you quick definitions right now. So first, let's start with Fibonacci extensions. This comes from Investopedia. Just going to give you a quick and dirty definition. Fibonacci extensions are a tool that traders can use to establish profit targets or estimate how far a price may travel after a retracement or pullback is finished. Extension levels are also possible areas where the price may reverse. Extensions are drawn on a chart, marking price levels of possible importance. Okay, so there we go. Two things to remember, that this could be a profit target, and it could be an area where we may see some reversal in price. Now let's take a look at the relative strength index, the RSI. The relative strength index, RSI, is a momentum indicator used in technical analysis that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of a stock or other asset. The RSI is displayed as an oscillator, a line graph that moves between two extremes, and can have a reading of from 0 to 100. The indicator was originally developed by J. Wells Wider Jr. and introduced in a seminal book, 1978 book, New Concepts in Technical Trading Systems. Traditional interpretation and usage of the RSI are that values above 70 or above indicate that a security is becoming overbought or overvalued and may be primed for a trend reversal or a corrective pullback in price. Now remember that as well. So again, for the Fibonacci extension, once it hits that, it could, you could have a reversal. And once you are in overbought territory, RSI above 70, you may have a trend reversal or a corrective pullback. And the opposite is true. An RSI reading of 30 or below indicates an oversold or undervalued condition. Okay, so let's go back to this graph now that you understand this. Okay, so these three red lines right here, these represent Fibonacci extensions. So these are possible areas where people are looking to take profits, and possibly we could see a price reversal. So that's what these three red lines are. And as far as the Fibonacci extensions are concerned, silver recently hit 1.618, which is roughly at $18.42.5. During that time that it hit that point, the RSI peaked above 70. Now take a look. This is the RSI down here. Now, I'm going to try to show you this without having it interrupt so much of your vision, but right here we have the middle. We have roughly around 50, and above, and let's see if we can get to 70 here. And here we are at 70. As you can see, it is currently above 70. And this was roughly around the same time. Take a look. It's been above 70, and this is when it hit that Fibonacci extension. So if it's overbought in the RSI, if it's overbought, I shouldn't say overbought, but if it hit the Fibonacci extension at the same time, this may indicate that we might see some trend reversal, and we may see some downward momentum. Now, this analyst has support levels, structural support at around 1670, and he has resistance at 1898. Now, I don't see silver going below 1670 anytime soon, and I honestly don't really see it going above 1898 as we begin to start seeing some profit taking. I think we will, see some minor sideways behavior with silver until it gains steam once again. But that's my opinion based off of these two metrics. Again, some overbought behavior in RSI, also hitting that Fibonacci extension. I wouldn't be surprised if we start to see some trend reversals, some lower prices, which could be a great opportunity to get some silver. But what do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that subscribe button, that like button. It's Black Bullion.